Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be introducing our partnership with Kinco and going through the complete solutions designed to streamline your operation, boost efficiency and future-proof your manufacturing processes. For over 30 years, Motion Control Products has been a trusted partner for the industries right here in the UK and across 70 sectors worldwide. We have built a reputation for delivering smart, tailored automation solutions, particularly in areas like human-machine interfaces or HMIs. Kinco is a true global leader in industrial automation. They have 4 dedicated R&D facilities across China, where they are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automation and industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. This means you get to access truly innovative and future-ready products. So, what does this partnership mean for you? It means you can now get everything you need for your automation products from one reliable source, Motion Control Products, powered by Kinco. We're talking a full spectrum of high quality, cost-effective and reliable products, including servo drives and motors for precise and dynamic motion control, stepper drives and motors that offer accurate positioning for a variety of applications. We also have PLCs and motion controllers, the brains of your automated systems designed for seamless control, HMIs to monitor and manage your processes, and variable frequency drives for efficient motor speed control, linear actuators for smoother controlled linear motion, and even custom IoT-enabled solutions, making your manufacturing more practical and efficient. With this collaboration, we deliver the power of one source, the simplicity of getting everything you need from individual components to complete systems, all from a single trusted partner. This reduces complexity, saves you valuable time, and streamlines your entire automation strategy. It's not just about the products. MCP and Kinco offer local UK support combined with a global reach. So whether you're based here in the UK, Turkey, India, Italy, Germany, or beyond, you can count on fast and responsive service and expertise. With over 30 years of experience, MCP has a deep understanding of the unique needs of various industries. We've built a strong reputation in sectors like pharmaceutical, electronics, healthcare, logistics, and many more. This means that we can provide truly tailored solutions to meet your specific requirements. We can handle the sourcing, the configuration, and the ongoing support, giving you seamless integration, faster deployment, and crucially, one point of accountability for your entire automation system. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of automation in your manufacturing processes, look no further than the powerful partnership of Motion Control Products and Kinco. We're built for the future of manufacturing and we're ready to partner with you. To learn more about our range of automation solutions and how they can help your business thrive, check out the links in the description below.